Are you tired of constantly searching for your Raspberry Pi's IP address? Imagine never having to search for it again because it's always the same. Stay tuned to know more about it. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set a static IP address for your Raspberry Pi, making your life a whole lot easier. This guide is specifically tailored for those using Raspberry Pi OS 12 or later, as the traditional methods such as using dhcpcd.conf just doesn't work anymore. So let's get started. So first I'll try to log in using PuTTY to do the SSH and take the remote connection of Raspberry Pi. Now we need to check what is the IP address that is assigned. So now I want to change the WLAN 0 Wi-Fi IP address to be static. Right now it has 192.168.29.93. So for the sake of tutorial, I'll try to make it 94 so that we can find out whether we have set a correct static IP address or not. So for that, we need to see whether 94 is already allocated or not. For that, we need to download Angry IP Scanner. So I can go to Angry IP Scanner and you can click on free download and click on Windows installer if you are using Windows. So I have already downloaded. I'll just install it. So once you have installed, you can run it. Now we just have to click on start scan. So it will take less than few minutes. So it has said that hosts alive are 6 and with open port 1. Okay, so we can simply see the host name and sort by host name, and we can see the color as well, whichever are blue which are being used. So right now I want to assign 94, right? So if I go to 94, I see it is not being used, so I can easily use this. So now what you can do is go to the PuTTY, and here you can use, so sudo nmt UI is a network management tool, and so first you need to click on edit a connection. You can see whatever is available right now. So that is Ethernet is actively available and also Wi-Fi. So I want to change the Wi-Fi, so I'll use arrow mark in my keyboard and click on edit. So here what I can do is I can go back. So basically you will be having here in IPv4 as an automatic, so you need to change to manual, and here you need to provide the IP address next to my current IP address, that is 29.94, and this 192.168.29.1, this is the gateway IP address. So whatever you are using, right, so the first 3 octets will be same, and just .1 you can use as a gateway IP address in most of the cases. Otherwise you can also find that in ifconfig. And DNS server, I'll use a public DNS server like Google one, so 1.1.1.1, and I'll leave it as it is, and I don't touch any of the remaining things. I'll keep them as it is and click on OK. Now go back and quit this. Now you're done with the static IP configuration. Next thing is you need to restart the network management. For that, I can simply reboot the Raspberry Pi entirely, or I can just reboot my network management. So I'll use systemctl restart network manager. So it will make our Raspberry Pi network manager to restart and assign the static IP address, that is 94. So now I can see the network manager has been restarted. So I can use hostname /I. Now it has been assigned the 94 IP to my Raspberry Pi. So I can open another PuTTY. Here I can type 192.168.29.94. So immediately you can see this putty security alert to accept the security, and now you can click on accept. This is the first time when you are using a new IP address, this kind of thing will come. Now you can see the if config, that is 192.168.29.94 is assigned to your Raspberry Pi. That's all for today's video. I hope this video has helped you to set the static IP address to your Raspberry Pi in the newest and latest method and made your life lot easier. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.